Freepik is a website that offers a wide range of free and premium vector graphics, illustrations, icons, and photos that can be used in design projects such as graphic design, web design, and marketing materials. The website is easy to use and allows users to search for specific types of graphics or illustrations by keyword. Freepik's library is updated daily with new content, and the website also has a feature that allows users to follow their favorite designers. They also provide a premium subscription where users can have access to more content and are also allowed to use them for commercial purposes. Freepik allows users to upload and share their own graphics, illustrations, icons, and photos on the website as a Freepik contributor. As a contributor, you can share your work with a large audience and earn money by having your designs downloaded by other users. To become a contributor, you'll need to create an account on the website and submit your designs for review. Once your designs are approved, they will be made available for download on the website, and you'll earn a commission for each download. The commission rate varies depending on the type of license purchased by the user, but in general, contributors earn more for premium downloads. Freepik also provides a feature where contributors can track and monitor their earnings, downloads, and views, and also allows them to set the prices for their designs and can also manage their portfolio. Overall, being a Freepik contributor is a great way for designers and artists to showcase their work and earn money from it.